So the new condenser, this is a Ford, this is a Ford. Let's see if we have the crack and snap of a little pressure. There's a little bit of a pop. And that's what I was supposed to. Okay. So it should always have these seals. These are not the best seals, especially for something that has a desiccant material on it. Should have better seals than this, but they are tight fitting seal. Yeah, they got a nice tight fit to them. And so get the new O-rings in here. And before you put on the new O-rings, always remember, put at least a little silicone grease or nylog on them. Helps prevent oil leaks and protects the seals. And I just noticed this is messed up. This video is going to be in the upright position. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, let me get back to this and put this back together. And it turned out to be a little more. There's a reason it was 2 point some hours to pull this off, and a few more bolts than the estimator thought there would be. All right, so yeah, time is money.